Welcome back to Unlocking Ancient Family History. In our last episode, we introduced the beginnings of human evolution. Today, we're diving deeper into the rise of early humans, focusing on how our ancestors adapted and evolved millions of years ago. Our journey starts around 2.6 million years ago, with a major split in the human family tree. This split led to two important groups, Paranthropus and Homo. The Homo group is our direct ancestor and would eventually lead to us, Homo sapiens. During this time, the Earth's climate was constantly changing. These shifts created new challenges for our ancestors. Some periods were warm and wet, while others were cool and dry. These changes affected the environments where early humans lived, pushing them to adapt in new and innovative ways. One of the earliest members of our genus was Homo habilis. In 1964, scientists discovered fossils of this species at Olduvai Gorge in Africa. They named it Handyman because it used simple stone tools. These tools, part of the Oldowan industry, were used for cutting, scraping, and hammering. Homo habilis had a cranial capacity of about 640 cc, placing it between Australopithecines and what was then considered the benchmark for humanness. Homo habilis had a brain larger than its predecessors. This bigger brain was a crucial step in the evolution of human intelligence. Alongside Homo habilis was another early human species, Homo rudolfensis, which had an even larger brain. Homo rudolfensis had a cranial capacity of about 750 cc, linking them to later Homo species. These early humans lived in East Africa between 2.4 and 1.6 million years ago. They shared many traits with the earlier Australopithecines, but were starting to show features that linked them to later human species. Their larger brains and tool use were key advancements. Imagine the challenges they faced in their environments, and how these tools provided them with new ways to interact with their surroundings, making survival a bit easier. As we move forward in time, more human species began to emerge. One of the most important was Homo erectus. Homo erectus appeared around 1.9 million years ago and was the first human species to leave Africa. They traveled to Asia and beyond, making them true pioneers. Homo erectus inhabited eastern China by 1.66 million years ago and later migrated south to Java, persisting there until around 30,000 years ago. Their ability to move such great distances and adapt to different climates and terrains was truly remarkable. There is also evidence suggesting that Homo erectus may have had some seafaring capabilities. Stone tools found on the Indonesian island of Flores date back to about 1 million years ago, indicating that Homo erectus might have crossed significant bodies of water. One of the most significant advancements of Homo erectus was the use of Acheulean tools. These tools were more sophisticated than the earlier Oldowan tools used by Homo habilis. Imagine shaping stones into hand axes and other useful implements, helping with tasks such as cutting meat, chopping wood, and digging for tubers. This innovation showed remarkable ingenuity and problem-solving skills. But perhaps the greatest leap forward was the control of fire. Imagine how life-changing this was. Fire allowed them to cook food, stay warm, and protect themselves from predators. How might they have discovered fire? Maybe it started with a natural event, like a lightning strike causing a fire. They could have observed its benefits and learned to maintain and transport fire. Let's picture a scene. A small group of Homo erectus huddled together as a storm rages on. Lightning strikes a nearby tree, igniting a fire. Initially, they might have been scared, but soon they realized the warmth it provided. Observing animals avoiding the flames, they saw its protective power. Over time, they learned to control it, carrying embers with them and feeding the flames with dry wood. This not only improved their diet, but also their overall survival. Cooked food provided more calories and nutrients, supporting brain growth and development. Fire also extended their day, providing light and warmth during the night, fostering social interactions and the development of early communities. These advancements in brain size, tool use, and fire control were significant milestones in human evolution. They set the stage for further developments and the eventual rise of our own species, Homo sapiens. The story of early humans is a testament to the power of adaptation and innovation. Each step forward, from the use of simple tools to the control of fire, brought our ancestors closer to becoming the complex, intelligent beings we are today. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will explore the fascinating stories of Homo ergaster, Homo heidelbergensis, Homo floresiensis, and other species that came before Homo sapiens. Together, we'll continue to unravel the fascinating story of human evolution and our journey through time.